Hello, I'm Gabriela Chacón, and today I'm gonna show you how to make scones. To make this traditional British dessert or breakfast, you'll need a lot of flour, which is gonna be mixed with some sugar and a little of baking powder and salt. Then you should mix all the liquid ingredients. They are a very little jet of vanilla, some milk, 1 egg, and pretty much butter. It's important that the liquids must be too cold. It would help the dough to have a better consistency. You can also add a few chocolate chips or pieces, blueberries, to the scones. You can also eat them as a sandwich with cheese, cream, or marmalade. There are too many ways to eat scones. Now I'm going to start to knead the dough with my hands. Today I'll add chocolate pieces to the dough. There is no exact measure. You can add as many chocolate pieces or blueberries as you consider enough. I've already cut the scones. Now they go inside the refrigerator for 25 minutes. Now they'll bake inside the oven heated to 220 Celsius degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching.